welcome back to the channel, guys. And if you haven't heard from me, not talking a little earlier, a little upset, disappointed in a sense, but anyway, upset. I'm heading out to StoneRidge Mall. I dropped off one of my daughter's iPad mini to get it repaired, because I had it taken care of or repaired by another shop, but they couldn't fix it because they think it's something else. The issue is that the device refuses to charge, and if it's charging, it only goes up to like 12-20% max. So we think it's the battery. The battery got replaced, quote unquote, by the previous tech, and it still has the same issue. We're thinking, or he said that, well, the battery is replaced, but it's not charging. But there's a sign that it shows it's charging, but it doesn't go any higher than 20%. So they're thinking it's a circuit board that they don't fix. So, took it to another shop, repair shop. I was going to take it to Apple, and Apple has a long wait time. And I was walking around the mall and I saw another shop that was going to repair a phone. They offered that they'll fix the iPad and if it doesn't work, they'll refund the money. I mean, it's a good deal. Their time, their loss if it doesn't get repaired. But this is almost my last attempt. Besides taking it to Apple, who knows how much they'll charge since it's not under warranty. My daughter, as you know, is disabled, so she has autistic and other stuff. But she needs her iPad. So in a pinch, I went and bought another iPad mini for her, the 6th gen. So this is the iPad mini 4, so I can get it repaired. If it gets repaired, then I'll take the iPad mini 6th gen. I don't know, we'll see. I'm almost at the point where I should have just went ahead and, you know, purchase another one and throw that away, hyper erase it. But the problem is now is that I let it sit for a while and it's now stuck in a boot loop. So it shows the Apple logo when you plug it in and tries to boot up and shuts off itself, and it goes in that loop for a while. So they said so the issue is that I'm a little disappointed is that they'll say they'll give me a call or email me by Monday. A week has passed. I haven't heard or seen any message besides the receipt that I paid for the repair. So I don't know. I tried calling them and they never pick up. So I'm just gonna go over there, drop by, say what's up. But anyway, how's you guys doing? Welcome back to the channel. Sorry for the rant. It's good to be out. Yeah, so it's good to be out. It's nice out today, not too hot. 80 degrees, 81 degrees. It's gonna be a little warmer today, 85 top. But yeah, it's not too bad. It's good to be out. Hope you guys enjoyed the previous videos and stuff. I finally got my ZX6R mirrors fully functional now that I plugged the cables, and I'm just testing it out on a ride. Any bumps and stuff might have unpinned itself, the connectors, which one of the pin on the right side mirror was jerry-rigged. It wasn't the original pin. Thanks to his mention about what he called There's a Y splitter. TST makes them also, so I might look into it and just have that connected properly. But we'll see how that adapter looks like. I mean, this works as is, but if you guys want to follow or check out those Y pin adapters harness for the turn signal, yeah, you probably have a better, easier method with that if I knew about it. But this is for those who don't want to spend or wait for those Y adapters to deliver to you, and or you know, you can follow my method installation. Basically, I took the ZX6R mirror harness and break it apart with the pins exposed, and then just plug it into the harness adapter on the bike side for the turn signal. And it's easier to swap them around because you can always pull them out. But it's just to be careful, they're very fragile. So yeah, StoneRidge Mall is roughly about 20 miles approximately away from the house. It's actually the closest Apple store that I was intended to take to in the first place, so hopefully that goes through. There's occasional wind passing through, so you get pushed between the hill channels, so you have a sudden gust of wind. And actually, as a CHP. Alright guys, late.
A few moments later.
So yeah guys, so it's not done yet. They found more problems on the iPad than they thought. So there was an integrated chip and the main chip was having the issue, so they had to ship the part or order the part, the chip to come in, and they should be done tomorrow, so they say. Hella tiptoeing.
But living this life is a handful, and I ain't gonna clear no samples.